Will you really
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a dish called Nkwobi. It's a dish that is popular among the Ugba people of the southeastern Nigeria, and it's predominantly made from cow foot, cow leg, whatever you might call it, and it's going to be a very beautiful ride. So let's delve into this by first introducing you to every ingredient needed for this meal. Thank you. African oil beans, or Ugba as it's locally called, utazi leaves, crayfish powder, dried shrimp, uhuru seeds, or calabash nutmeg in English, potash powder soaked in water, salt to taste, chopped habanero peppers, some bouillon powder, palm oil, and lastly, a bowl of. So the first thing we're going to do is cook our cow leg until it's really tender. So here we have the cow foot, cow leg, whatever you might call it. We add some chopped onions, a couple bay leaf, some bouillon powder, and some salt. We add some water to boil, and then we cover. So while the cow leg is cooking, almost done, in this other pot off the stove, we're gonna prepare the sauce for the meal. First on our list of ingredients will be the palm oil, and then we add the liquid from the potash. So we keep stirring until we get a bright yellow color, and the oil is taken by the potash. So this is what we're aiming for. This is the color we're trying to get. Now we add some other ingredients. We add the crayfish powder, the bouillon seasoning. You can use any brand of your choice. We add the crushed habanero peppers, calabash nutmeg, some salt. We stir to mix everything properly before we proceed to add the rest of the ingredients. So next on our list of ingredients, I'll be adding the African oil beans, or the locals call it Ugba in the Igbo language, dried shrimp, and we mix again to incorporate everything, all the flavors together. So right now, it's time for us to introduce the boiled cow foot into the dish. And we'll mix everything up together one last time. Everything gets mixed together. Right now, our Nkwobi is ready. Time for us to plate it. At this point, we garnish our Nkwobi with onion rings. Make it beautiful, extra flavor to it. And also the utazi leaves. At this point, our Nkwobi is ready to eat. And I'll be pairing mine with a cold bottle of palm wine. What would you be pairing yours with? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe for more videos like this. Cheers.